should I let? No, एजेंडा में बात करें हम लोग, एजेंडा पे आ रहे. No, you cannot dictate, sir. No, you cannot do that. नहीं, बेग साहब आप बैठ जाइए. No, I will not give the mic. नहीं, say आप
लेकिन उसमें जो अभी हमारे बीजेपी के दोस्त अभी बोल रहे थे, देश में रहना है तो पढ़ना होगा, ये गलत बात है.
No, take it back. No, कोई भी नहीं बोले. Beg sahab, everybody respect. We are all Indians, sir. We are all Indians. Please respect one another. We are all Indians, sir. We are all Indians, sir. आप बैठ जाओ. Sir, Beg sahab, we are all Indians, Beg sahab. Nobody will disrespect another person. Sir, please बैठ जाइए. We will not disrespect. Sir, we will not disrespect anybody. We have no intention of disrespecting anybody, sir. We are all Indians, sir. Please बैठ जाइए. Please बैठ जाइए. It's already 10 minutes to 1 o'clock. It's almost lunchtime. We haven't started the agenda. बैठ जाइए. No, sir. I understand. नहीं साहब, वो लोग कुछ भी नहीं बोले. अब बैठ जाओ. वो लोग बोले, रघुनंदन साहब बोले. नहीं, अब हमारे MP साहब बोले कि कोई भी नहीं बोले. If somebody has said it, sir, if Beg साहब, if somebody has said it, Raghunandan sir, no, MP साहब बोल रहे ना, कोई भी नहीं बोले. Please बैठ जाओ. वाहब साहब, बैठ जाओ. वाहब, please. Sohail साहब बैठ जाइए. No, we'll take it back. I'm telling you. Okay, please sit down. No, wrong on your part. Okay, Raghunandan साहब बात करेंगे. 1 minute. No, very bad on Anna. Raghunandan garu meeru. Rajshekhar. Yeah. Pick up them. Marshals can pick up those people. Marshals. No, I'm requesting. Okay. No, please. Sohail sahab, Koppula Narasimhareddy garu. Sohail sahab, 8 minutes. No, I have this act. I'm going to read. I will have to pick up them. Marshals pick up చేయండి వాళ్ళని వీళ్ళని. ఎవరు నుంచున్నారో టేబుల్స్ మీద నుంచున్నారో వాళ్ళందరిని తీయండి. I cannot. Tables మీద నుంచిన వాళ్ళందరిని తీయండి. You cannot stand on the table. You cannot stand on the table. Marshals will pick up everybody who are on the tables. ఒకవేళ మీరు హౌస్ లోంచి వెళ్ళిపోదలుచుకుంటే వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. You cannot stand on the tables. Shravan. Yeah, Marshals. 1 minute. I will play. नहीं, आप ठहरो. No. बीजेपी వాళ్ళకి నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను, మీ టేబుల్స్ ఎక్కిపోవడం ఏం మర్యాద అండి అది? I have to withdraw the members. బయటకు పంపించేసా నేను. BJP will go and take their seats, please. BJP members will take their seats. MIM will take their seats. If not, the members will be thrown. the members will be taken out. If not, the members will be taken out. I request cooperation. I requested everybody to cooperate. This is no religion. We're all the members. Please respect. Sit down. Please sit down.